Rule 30. Anchored vessel and vessel aground. Alpha. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit where it can best be seen. Bravo. In the forepart and all ground with lights or a ball. 2. At all near than stern at a lower level than the lights. Prescribed in subparagraph 1. At all ground white light be light. Bravo. A vessel at less than 50 meters in length may exhibit at all ground with light where it can best be seen instead of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. Charlie. A vessel at anchor may and a vessel of 100 meters and more than in length shall also use the available working of equivalent lights and development herdic. Delta. A vessel aground shall exhibit the lights prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule and in addition where they can best be seen. 1. To all ground red light in the vertical line. 2. Their balls in a vertical line. Echo. In a vessel of less than 7 meters in length with at anchor not in or near a narrow channel, fairway of anchorage, or where other vessels normally navigate, shall it be required to exhibit the lights of shape prescribed in paragraph A and B of this rule. Foxtrot. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length wind aground shall not be required to exhibit the lights or shape prescribed in subparagraph T 1 and 2 of this rule.